topic is dietary fiber. So what is dietary fiber, how it helps our body to compel some diseases, we will know from this video. Hi, I am clinical nutritionist Chandrani and today I will share details about dietary fiber. So what is dietary fiber? Dietary fiber is the indigestible part in the food which we get from carbohydrate. So the examples like cereals, whole grains, vegetables, fruits, seeds, nuts, these are the examples of dietary fiber. Now, how this dietary fiber helps our body in maintaining a good healthy lifestyle? Dietary fiber plays a vital role in gut health because dietary fiber acts as prebiotic in gut and it helps the good microbiomes to fight against the bad bacteria. It helps and it acts as a prebiotic in the gut. It will help to smooth your digestion process and because of that you can avoid bloating, gastric, constipation, this type of digestive issues. And dietary fiber also plays a vital role in controlling diabetes because dietary fiber slows down the process of absorption of sugar level in the blood. And dietary fiber also helps in controlling the cholesterol level in your body also. So what is the daily requirement of dietary fiber? Dietary fiber daily requirement is 30 to 40 gram per person per day. And what are the examples of dietary fiber food? Oats, barley, and then vegetables like green vegetables and fruits like apples or banana, or you can add seeds and nuts is the good source of dietary fiber. So it is very important to maintain dietary fiber in your diet to avoid many diseases. So for more details, visit our website. Thank you.